Whoa, hold up a second. Are you like me, totally buzzing about what AI can do, but then utterly bamboozled when you try to actually use it in your business?
Oh, definitely. You hear all the hype.
Exactly. I mean, custom GPTs sound incredible, right? This magic tool that solves your problems, writes your content.
Yeah, the potential seems huge.
But then you're just staring at a blinking cursor, feeling like you're missing some, crucial piece of the puzzle.
It can feel pretty overwhelming for sure.
If that sounds familiar, you really need to listen up because we're diving into something that might just be that missing link, the GPT Creator Club.
Right. And what's genuinely exciting here, I think, is the potential to sort of democratize AI power.
Democratize? How so?
Well, the idea that you don't need to be a coding wizard or like a prompt engineering guru to leverage these sophisticated AI tools.
Oh, okay.
This club is essentially saying, here are the keys to the AI kingdom, no tech degree required.
Exactly. So, the million-dollar question, does it actually work? Can this club really cut through the complexity and let us, as creators, coaches, marketers, finally harness AI in a real, tangible way?
And maybe even start offering these AI solutions ourselves. That's the big promise.
That's what we're digging into today. We've taken a good, hard look at what this membership is all about, and we're trying to figure out if it's the real deal for someone like you and me who want the benefits of AI without the headaches.
Okay, so at its heart, the GPT Creator Club is a membership program. And what it does is deliver fully built, custom GPTs right to your inbox every single month.
Like a subscription box, but for AI tools.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah.
Think of it as getting a new, ready-to-go AI assistant focused on a specific business task month after month.
Okay.
And this is where it gets really interesting. They provide what they call white label rights.
Okay, let's really unpack what white label means here, because that sounds important.
It is. Imagine getting a fantastic product, something really useful, and then being able to put your own name, your own logo on it, and sell it or give it away as your own creation.
Wow. Okay, so you own it, basically.
That's essentially what white label rights give you with these GPTs.
Yeah.
For anyone wanting to offer AI-powered tools without that massive undertaking of development, well, this could be a game changer.
Seriously. No need to build it from scratch.
Absolutely. And it's not just the AI itself, it's the whole package they seem to offer.
Meaning?
Well, they also include professional crafted sales copy, pre-written email sequences designed to, convert leads into customers for your GPT.
Oh, nice. So they help you sell it, too.
And even social media content to help you spread the word. They're providing the engine, yes, but also the marketing fuel to get it running.
It almost feels like cheating, doesn't it? A little bit.
Maybe a very efficient shortcut.
Right. So walk me through the mechanics of this. What actually happens when you become a member, like each month?
Okay, so each month, a brand new, custom-built GPT arrives. It's designed with a specific purpose in mind. The material mentions things like boosting content creation or maybe tackling particular business challenges.
Gotcha.
And alongside that GPT, you receive all those done-for-you marketing pieces we just talked about. The sales page, the emails, the social posts.
So it's not just dropping a raw AI on your doorstep and saying good luck. There's actual hand-holding involved.
Precisely. That seems to be a key part of it. They provide step-by-step video tutorials.
Ah, videos. Good.
Yeah, guiding you through how to use, how to tweak, even personalize the GPTs to better fit your brand or your specific needs.
That's crucial because even pre-built stuff can feel a bit intimidating.
Exactly. And they also give you professionally designed user guide templates. So if you decide to offer these GPTs to your own clients or customers,
You look professional.
you have a polished support document ready to go. Plus, they emphasize ongoing support if any questions pop up along the way.
Okay, that support piece is big. And I hear there are some cool bonuses thrown in too, like extra GPTs and even a strategy session.
Yes. Apparently, as a new member, you get instant access to 3 additional GPTs right away as a welcome bonus.
Well, neat. A quick start.
Exactly. Plus, they offer a one-on-one strategy call. Now, that could be incredibly valuable for mapping out exactly how to integrate and, importantly, monetize these AI tools within your unique business.
That personal touch. Interesting.
And what's also quite fascinating is that members can apparently suggest ideas for future GPTs.
Really? So you can influence what they build next?
Seems so. It gives members a direct influence on what the club creates. And for those looking at this for the long haul, there's a VIP option, mentioned lifetime access for a one-time fee, no recurring subscriptions.
Lifetime access. Okay, that's something to consider. Right, we got the broad strokes, but let's really dive into the nitty-gritty. What do you actually get once you're inside, beyond just that monthly GPT?
All right, let's break it down. So, to reiterate, you get that custom GPT with the full white label rights, ability to rebrand it as your own.
Okay.
The potential uses are wide: selling it directly, using it as a lead magnet, maybe an exclusive resource in a coaching program. Lots of options. Then you get the sales page copy,
Yeah.
crafted, they say, to be persuasive and drive sales.
Handy. Saves a ton of writing time.
Definitely. And the ready-to-deploy email sequences, designed to nurture potential buyers, guide them towards purchase.
Emails, too. Wow.
And the social media content tailored posts, captions, maybe even image suggestions for different platforms
Yeah.
make promotion much more streamlined.
That's taking a huge weight off your shoulders, launching something new.
Yeah.
Seriously. And what about actually understanding how to use all this stuff?
Yeah, good question. That's where the comprehensive training videos come in. They're designed to walk you through every step,
Okay. From setup to selling.
presumably. And that user guide template we mentioned, essential for providing support to your own customers if you go that route.
Right. Customer support. Can't forget that.
Plus, as we mentioned, ongoing support is available if you hit any snags.
Okay.
And let's not forget those bonuses. Again, the extra GPTs to get started, the personalized strategy call, the chance to suggest future GPT ideas, and access to a community of like-minded individuals.
Community can be really valuable, too.
Absolutely. Oh, and the optional lifetime VIP access for that single payment.
Okay, that's a lot in the box.
Hmm.
So distilling it down, what are the real wins here? What are the core benefits if someone decides, yeah, I'm going to join the GPT Creator Club?
Well, I think the most immediate benefit, the one that jumps out, is the incredible time savings.
Right. Compared to DIYing it.
Exactly. Instead of investing countless hours trying to build and refine your own custom GPTs,
Yeah.
you receive fully functional tools delivered to you, ready to go.
And the white label rights.
That's a massive advantage for building your brand. You're offering unique, AI-powered value, but under your name.
That's powerful for authority building.
Definitely. And those ready-made marketing assets, they just significantly lower the barrier to entry for launching and actually selling these GPTs quickly.
It sounds like they're really focused on making sure you're not, left in the dark. Like support is a big theme.
It seems so. The thorough ongoing training and the commitment to support that addresses a key concern, especially for those who might be newer to the AI world or just feel less techy.
Which is probably a lot of us.
Right. And crucially, it appears designed to eliminate that overwhelming feeling of technical complexity. No tech overwhelm is a phrase they seem to use.
Nice.
Then, of course, there are the clear pathways to monetization. You're getting tools and resources specifically designed to help you generate income.
So it's not just a cool toy, it's a business asset.
That's the positioning. And those exclusive bonuses add even more immediate value. The community aspect could also be fantastic for networking, getting feedback, maybe collaborations.
Good point.
And they position it as, affordable and scalable. A way to integrate AI without breaking the bank or needing a huge team.
Okay, let's zoom in on those bonuses for a moment. You mentioned 3 extra GPTs in a call. What's the inside scoop there?
Right, so you get 3 additional GPTs right off the bat, which gives you a small arsenal of AI tools to start playing with immediately. Get your feet wet.
Instant gratification, kind of?
A bit, yeah.
Mm.
Then the one-on-one strategy call. It mentions it's with Randy, and it's specifically geared towards helping you create a concrete plan for making money with these GPTs.
Personalized advice, that could be worth a lot.
That personalized guidance could be invaluable, especially if you're not sure where to start with monetization. And the Your GPT Idea is Built by Us feature. That's particularly interesting.
Yeah, you mentioned that. How does that work?
It basically allows members to directly influence the future development of the club's offerings, suggesting what they need. It helps ensure the GPTs stay relevant and useful to the members themselves.
Keeps it community-driven. Okay, now, we've looked at all the shiny stuff, but let's be real. Every service has potential downsides or things someone should really consider before jumping in. What's the catch, if any?
That's a critical perspective to have.
Absolutely.
Okay, one key factor to be aware of, and this is important, you do need an active ChatGPT Plus subscription to actually use these custom GPTs.
Ah, okay. So that's an extra cost.
Yes, that's an additional monthly fee on top of the club membership itself, something to budget for.
Good to know. What else?
Also, it's important to have realistic expectations.
Yeah.
This isn't presented as some kind of, instant overnight success button.
Right. No magic wands.
Exactly. It's framed more as a long-term strategy for integrating AI into your business, building assets over time.
Makes sense. Consistent effort is still needed.
And finally, the entire focus is, naturally, on GPTs, custom GPTs. So if your business model doesn't really align with offering or utilizing these kinds of specific AI tools, well, it might not be the perfect fit for you.
Fair enough. It's specific. Okay, so bearing that in mind, who is this really for? Who would get the most bang for their buck from the GPT Creator Club?
Well, the material specifically calls out beginners in the digital product space.
Why begin?
Likely because it provides such a structured and supported pathway. Less guesswork involved.
Okay.
It also seems like a great fit for busy professionals. Coaches, marketers, entrepreneurs who see the power of AI but just don't have the bandwidth to become experts themselves.
Time-starved folks. Got it.
Aspiring digital product creators, too. People who want to quickly establish themselves by offering their own AI-powered tools. This gives them a shortcut to that.
Right. Boost authority quickly.
And coaches and consultants looking for ready-to-use AI tools to maybe enhance their client services or generate leads. Plug-and-play solutions.
Makes sense for them.
Even freelancers and marketers aiming to add more value to their client offerings might see this as a way to stand out.
Adding an AI service without building it.
Yeah.
Smart.
Ultimately, it seems designed for anyone who wants those done-for-you AI solutions to avoid the tech headaches and the constant content creation hamster wheel.
Huh. Yes, the hamster wheel.
And for those who are genuinely excited about AI and want to use it to grow their business, but maybe without needing that deep technical background.
Okay, that paints a pretty clear picture.
Yeah.
Now let's tackle some of those nagging questions our listener might have in the back of their mind. That little voice saying, wait a minute, but what about,
Right, the potential objections or struggles. That's where they seem to address the struggles you can overcome points.
Okay, like what?
For instance, if the idea of building your own GPTs leaves you feeling totally lost, technically overwhelmed,
Yeah, that's me sometimes.
the club offers ready-made solutions. If you're spending hours and hours trying to create these tools from scratch, this aims to give you that time back, save time.
Big one. Time is money.
If you're struggling to create effective marketing materials, sales pages, emails they provide them, done for you.
Solves the blank page problem.
Exactly. If your productivity feels stuck, these pre-built tools and resources are designed to help you get more done, increase productivity. They also address concerns about, say, low conversion rates
Right.
by offering that professionally written sales copy, lack of ongoing support. They provide continuous assistance.
Uh-huh.
Worried about branding control, they give you those all-important white label rights, full branding control, difficulty in scaling. They provide consistent monthly assets to help you grow.
Like building blocks.
Right. Marketing confusion, they offer clear strategies and assets, and even a lack of overall strategy. That's where the personalized guidance call comes in.
It seems like they've tried to think through the main roadblocks.
It appears that way, yes, addressing common pain points directly.
And to really seal the deal, build trust, they also offer a money-back guarantee, right?
Yes, that's highlighted. A 14-day, no questions asked, 100% satisfaction guarantee.
2 weeks to try it out.
Exactly. It's presented as a completely risk-free way to join, explore everything that's included, download stuff, and actually test out the tools for yourself.
So if it's not for you, no harm, no foul.
Within those 2 weeks, yes, you can get a full refund. And here's a surprising kicker they mention.
Oh.
You can apparently even keep any GPTs or resources you might have downloaded during that trial period.
Seriously, keep the stuff even if you get a refund.
That's what the material suggests,
Mm-hmm.
which, shows a lot of confidence in what they're offering.
Yeah.
They're betting you'll want to stay.
Wow, okay. That is confident. So to bring it all together then, what's the core message here? What's the final word on the GPT Creator Club based on what we've seen?
Well, it really appears to be positioned as a streamlined, highly supported way for creators, coaches, and marketers to integrate and potentially even sell custom AI tools. But crucially, without needing deep technical expertise or a massive time investment up front.
The shortcut, essentially.
In a way, yes.
Yeah.
The monthly delivery of ready-made GPTs, combined with the power of those white label rights and the sheer convenience of having done-for-you marketing materials, that could be a significant accelerator for anyone wanting to offer AI-powered solutions. The training and ongoing support seem designed to flatten that learning curve considerably. And the included bonuses add quite a bit of immediate value.
But remember the caveats.
Absolutely. Remember the need for that ChatGPT Plus subscription, the additional cost, and understanding that this is Likely a longer-term business strategy, not an instant fix. Those are important factors to keep in mind.
So if you're listening and you're like me, excited about AI's potential, but maybe feeling a little lost on how to actually make it work for you and your business, the GPT Creator Club definitely sounds like something worth investigating further.
It really could be a viable path.
It might just be the key to finally unlocking the power of these incredible tools without all the usual frustration.
Absolutely. I mean, the ability to essentially have your own ready-to-go AI product line without the heavy lifting of development, that's a very compelling proposition in today's, rapidly evolving digital landscape. It's definitely something interesting.
Totally agree. Well, thanks for diving deep with me today on this. Lots to think about.
My pleasure. Always fascinating to explore these new tools.
Definitely. All right, everyone, keep learning and keep creating.